In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Microsoft Teams phone number. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, the process begins with signing in. Head over to the Microsoft Teams website or open the app on your device. If you haven't already, log in using the account that is associated with your team workspace. This will ensure you have access to all your team's features and members. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to the Chat section. Look to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see several icons. Click on the Chat icon, which should be visible right there. This section will display your recent conversations, and it's the perfect place to find the contact you need. Now it's time to select a contact. Scroll through your chat list to locate the specific person you're looking for. If you have a lot of conversations and want to save time, use the search bar at the top of the app to quickly find this person by entering their name. This can streamline the process significantly, especially if you're part of a large team. Once you've found the right contact, click on their name at the top of the chat window. This action will open their profile details, which give you more information about them and also offer various interaction options. Next, you'll need to view their contact information. In their profile, look for a button or tab labeled Contact. Clicking on this will take you to the relevant details regarding their contact information. Finally, here's where you can find the number. If the person you're looking for has added a phone number to their profile and has shared it with your organization, it will be displayed in this section. Take note that availability of contact numbers may vary based on your organization's settings, and not all users opt to share their phone numbers. So if you don't see one, it may just not be available. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find a Microsoft Teams phone number. Remember, these steps can help you easily connect with colleagues and enhance communication across your team. If you encountered any issues, or if the contact number wasn't visible, don't hesitate to reach out to your IT department or team administrator for assistance. They can provide additional support or guidance as necessary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on maximizing your use of Microsoft